Hello, how are you? Welcome to another time of lectures concerning fish farming, catfish farming to be precise. Um, Today I'm going to be talking about sales. How do you manage your sales? Because this is one very important aspect in fish farming. How do you know, how do you go about your sales? The first note of warning that I'm going to give is directly to the newcomers into the business of fish farming. The newcomers into the business of fish farming, you are targets for these middle people, the women who come to buy and resell. They target you especially because they know that you are naive, you are green in the business, so they can actually cheat you. So you must not sell on your own. Do a lot of due consultation before you sell. Find out the price that the fish is going for now, and then talk to some veteran farmers, some old farmers, and know exactly what to do. These women who come to buy and resell, they are very, very, very trickish. And what they do is to see if they can cheat you. That is the first thing that is in their minds, to cheat you, to see how they can, shortchange you and then sell higher. Okay, so if you're a newcomer, do not engage them except you know a lot first of all before you sell. No hurried selling, no panic selling and all that. Take your time and find out how the market is before you sell. These women are very, very trickish. Most of them, though, some of them might be good, but it's just a handful of them that are good. So be very, very careful what you do with them. Okay, make sure that you know what the price of the fish is, and what it is like. For those of you who have been in the business and your sales have not been good, maybe you have not been considering things like knowing what the market rate is. Secondly, you have not been following the trend of things like time to sell and all that. You must understand that you don't sell every time. There are times to sell when there is a little bit of scarcity. You monitor the market, and then rather than sell when there are a lot of people selling, you can slow down a bit. When there are not many people selling, you sell off. You must also engage the services of agents. I've said that over and over in my videos. Try to engage the services of agents. Agents will help you a lot. You just monitor them. Okay, they know how to deal with this woman. They know how to sell off your fishes. They know what to do at the right time, and all that. You will know all these things, but they know. Engage the services of agents. Okay, and then try to sell when you want to sell your fishes. Try to sell, say, when your fish, if you want to sell at drying size, try to sell when your fishes are about 3 pieces making 1 kg or 2 pieces making 1 kg. It will help you, because when you sell for 5 pieces making 1 kg, you are selling drying size, you don't get much out of anything. So try when it is about 3 pieces to 1 kg or 2 pieces to 1 kg, or better off if you can do till table size and sell at table size. For you to be able to do table size comfortably, you need to reduce the amount of fishes you stock because of the high cost of feed. So if you can stock like 500, 1000, 1001, depending on your purse, okay, better, so that you can bring them up to table size. Say from, they will be like 800 to about 800 grams to 1 kg and above. Better for you. It is very, very important that you know about sales. Okay, it is very, very important that you know this aspect of the business, so that you won't be selling at a loss. Most of the times farmers sell and they don't get their money back at all, because the sales is wrong. From the beginning, everything was not right. Sometimes you put people out there, you don't monitor them who sell, and then they steal your fishes, or they give you very low price of what they actually sold. Okay, even in your presence while you are watching them, you have to be very, very careful. They can sell and they cheat you. Even the so-called agents, you have to be careful watching them. So when you want to sell, carry your notebook and your pen. Make sure you are taking record of every single sales that is going on. Record them and then begin to take payments one by one carefully, so that you don't run at a, you don't sell and then run at a loss. Okay, this is very, very important. Thank you. That is as much as I can take for today. Subscribe to this YouTube channel. I'll be coming up with little things like this for you all to help your catfish business. My name is Mr. Greg. Bye for now.